Put all this on the side and all. Oh, what's up? Merry Christmas, y'all, once again. Okay. All right. So anyway, I wanted to do a Christmas dance and all that. Ain't dare no more. Everything else and stuff like that. Well, I could have put it part of my show, but unfortunately I didn't. But I don't know when it's gonna be uploaded to YouTube, but it will. Okay. Well, I just feel like doing a little something. All right. If I could act silly and everything. All right.
Your whole life, you thought that Santa and his reindeer always live at the North Pole, right? Siding on the side, walking in the rear. Well, I got it on real good authority that Santa and his reindeer used to live right here. Santa and his reindeer used to live right here.
Oh, really? Well, where they used to live?
It's a Christmas story that you probably didn't know. Like most Christmas stories happened a long time ago. In a renovated double near Broughton, St. Bernard, lived a fat little hippie with some livestock in his yard. There was elves in and out, a refrigerated van. People thought it was a daycare or a snowball stand. Been a bunch of tenants, been a bunch of years. But Santa and his reindeer used to live right here.
I don't know if y'all can hear that music.
Save time, spent a lot of dimes, rated, eat a lot of ices in the summertime. Working through the rain, through Betsy's hurricane. Wasn't just playing no reindeer game. Listen with the Max Diner, Rudolph went to cool school. It was rough being reindeer, but reindeer was cool. Dasher went to Warren Easton, Diner went to Sacred Heart. She didn't make the dances, but they meet in City Park. Porch in the front, yard in the back. Still got toys in the attic and a sack. Siding on the side, torture in the rear. Santa and his reindeer used to live right here. From the little toys, paid a little rent, made deliveries on the streetcar. It was only 7 cents. They needed something bigger for a bigger operation. Doing a lot of Greyhound, waiting at the station. They were looking at.
Sorry about that, y'all. I had to do a little something. But here we go. Excuse that. It wasn't supposed to be like that. It wasn't supposed to sound like that either.
Of the new Frank Davis Benny Grunch Christmas production. Sit back and see if you don't think this one's naturally known.
Where's the downtown store?
Ain't there no more.
Where's the Schwenken store?
Ain't there no more. Ain't there no more.
Ain't there no more. Everybody cries on the line by Christmas news. What can these guys put down? Christmas Inc. was all mildew. Well, they opened up again. But while I was in line, they all closed down. But I heard they're gonna open one more.
The alley dance.
Just hotels, more are on the way. Mr. Bingo quit at the Carlton Ritz 'cause he can't reach the buffet. Russ is gone, so you can't try on no queen-size lingerie. But what you gonna do with K&B and Schwegman's gone away? A&G,
Ain't there no more.
Rory,
Ain't there no more.
Waterbury,
Ain't there no more.
Daily,
Ain't there no more.
Red Goose,
Ain't there no more. My bestie ain't there no more.
Gotcho's man,
Ain't there no more.
that's the one.
Ain't there no more.
His unwashed homes was just like dinosaurs, and roamed out in Gentilly was before it was explored. Downtown a million years, been gone in just a blink. Empties and homes and dinosaurs are mostly all extinct. Just hotels, more are on the way. Mr. Bingo quit at the Carlton Ritz 'cause you can't fix the buffet. Cross is gone, so you can't try on no queen-size lingerie.
All right. I quit. I quit. All right. So what I was doing the alley dance, you know? Huh. All right. All right. So I bet y'all probably at y'all homes snickering and laughing, saying, ha ha ha, hee hee hee, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. All right, y'all. I clown too much, huh, y'all? And I'm out of breath, y'all. Well, so somebody calling me, so I might as well end this. Okay. I ain't mean to decline the call, but the hell's my uncle call, so I'm about to call him back. Okay, so, anyway, thank y'all for watching, alright? Bye.